Challenge for you to write a program to find whether a number is even or odd. Hint: you will need the modulus operator. You can pause the video now. Welcome back. I hope you managed that. If you haven't, then just follow along with me. Create a new file in code blocks and save it as s3_03.c. Write hash include open close angular brackets stdio.h int main parenthesis void inside the parenthesis open close curly brace return 0. Declare an integer variable int number. Prompt the user to enter an integer. Printf within double quotes write enter an integer number. Store the entered value in number. Scanf open close parenthesis semicolon within double quotes %d comma ampersand number. Check if the number is perfectly divisible by 2. If within parenthesis write number modulus 2 double equals to 0. If true, the number is even, so print a message accordingly. Printf within double quotes write %d is even comma number. Else the number is odd, print another message accordingly. Printf within double quotes write %d is odd comma number. Press F9 to run the program. I will input 3 and press enter. 3 is odd. I will run the program again. 56 is even. Perfect. Alright, that's all for this lecture. See you in the next lecture.